Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to plane spotting video number 50, plane spotting video 17 already. I'm used to saying 15, don't know why. Currently, time in Chicago is 2:17. I have a flight at 4 o'clock, and I'm gonna go plane spot a little bit, guys, at Aurora Airport. I usually leave early for that reason. So we are currently on our way to Aurora Municipal Airport, and we're going to do some plane spotting. Hopefully we can get a lot of pictures for you all and make some really good videos here. So sit back, relax, and enjoy plane spotting video 17. Whoa, that plane Learjet just landed. Oh, and FHTH. That's that tail number, and the Learjet just landed. I hope I got that on the video. Oh, man, what a day, guys. This is actually... Oh, wow, that must be a single-engine aircraft. Take it out. It's nice. Very nice. Yeah, I'm really sweating now, guys. It's hot out here. Let's see what the temperatures are in Chicago. 82? Yeah, it's 82 in Sugar Grove right now. Yes, I'm located in Sugar Grove. That's a nice plane. Wow. It looks like a expensive plane to buy. That's what it looks like. Here we go. Oh. And, I'm sorry, CFHTH. CFHTH, that's that plane. And that's gonna be it. There is no Cessna out, which is bad. But yeah, there we go. Spotted two planes, and a Learjet just landed. I'm like, oh, that's cool. Alright, cut here, though.